doing system of equation, and the first thing we're going to do is by substitution. So by substitution only means this. It means that how do you know it's best to use it when a variable is defined? Like here we have y equals, then that's already given to you. Y is already defined. You're going to plug it in right here. If you look at this one, how do I know a substitution would be best? Because a equals, a is already defined. I already told you what a is. You're going to plug it in right here. So I'm going to do both examples, and then you should be able to do the rest on your own, right? So what I like to do first is kind of label this equation. So I'm going to label this 1, right? And I'm going to label this one 2. Right? So come on. All right, so 2 right here. All right, so what I need to do is take this 2x, the y is 2x, and plug it in right there. So what that looked like is this. So you're going to take the x, so this x plus, instead of writing the y, you just plug in the 2x. 2x equals 12. That, there's an invisible 1 right here. That gives me 3x equals 12. Divide by 3 on both sides, x equals 4. Remember, your solution, your answer should be x, y as an order pair. And it looks like I already have the x, but I don't have the y. In order for you to find the y, you need to go plug this in your original equation. But you got to figure out which one is the easiest ones to go plug it in. Should I plug it in? Should I plug in the x right here, the 4 that I have? So that would have been 4 plus y equals 12, solve for y. Or should I plug it in right here? It would just be 2 times 4. Then I get the answer. My best bet is to plug it in right here. So that means you take your 4, plug it in right there, right? So that means, let me just do it right here. So that should be y equals 2 times 4. Because you plug it in for x. And we know 2 times 4 is 8. Therefore, I have the solution. 4, 8. Done deal. You with me? Example 2. With the example 2, since a is already defined, so I'm just going to take all of this, plug it in for a at the beginning. A is right here. So I will write it like this. 3, I'm taking this whole thing right here. 3b minus 20 minus 3b minus 20, that goes for a, right? Plus the b from the equation equals the 12. I can combine like terms. I have 1b here, and that should give me 4b. I still have my 20 equals to 12, right? And then I can add 12 here. Add 20 here. Add 20 here. Goes away. 4b, 32, divide by 4, divide by 4. You get b equals 8. Remember, your solution needs to be x, y. But in this case, I don't really have x and y letter. I have a and b letter. So alphabetically, a, b, right? So I already know the b, which is 8. So question mark on the a. I know the b is 8. So now to get the a, you have to take the 8 that you have for the b and go plug it in somewhere. My question is, where's my best bet to plug it in? All right, so if I plug it in here, it should be 3 times 8 minus 20. Yeah. Or, I mean, what's the easiest thing for you? Or you plug it in right here. If you plug it in right here, it will be a plus b equals a plus 8 equals 12, and then you solve. I'm thinking if I just plug it in right here, 3 times 8 minus 20 would directly give me a, right? So I think that's the easiest. But you could have plugged it in right here too. You said 8, then you subtract. You got solve for a, subtract 8 on both sides. I'm going to go my best bet on that one. So you take your 8 that you have, right here, right? So what does that look like? It looks like this. So 3 times 8 minus 20, that should give me the value for a. So 3 times 8 is 24. 24 minus 20, you get 4. 4 is a. So then I can go right here and say, look, I got 4, I have 8, I'm done. You with me? All right, the rest is on you.